Moodle 2.0 has some new features that allow you to duplicate or copy a particular activity item or assessment tool by just simply hitting on the duplicate button right here. Now that's great if you just want to duplicate one single item, but what if you've got several things that you want to duplicate so that you can set up kind of a skeletal structure to your class? Like, for example, in every one of my classes, I want to have, in every module, I want to have a module Q&A forum where students can ask questions and post them, and I want this in every one of my topics or modules. And maybe I give a pre-quiz in every topic or module that's going to assess what the students know, and I want that same basic quiz with all of the same kinds of setups in it, not the questions, but the same kind of basic setups, so that I don't have to keep doing that on every single one of them. And maybe I have a whole series of labels or other items that I want to make sure shows up in every single one of my topics in a course that I'm designing. Now, of course, you could just simply duplicate each and every one and drag them and drop them, but that does seem a bit tedious. Well, the best way to do it is simply to use the power of backing up. If you go over here to Settings, you'll see the term Backup. Go ahead and click on Backup. It brings up to this dialog box here. And in this dialog box, you'll see that there is some basic settings, and actually, for the most part, you don't have to really do much of anything except click through to the next screen. So you don't change anything here. Go ahead and click Next. Next screen pops up. Now here is where you'll have to make some selections. It lets you know what everything is in all of the different topics that you're working with, and unless you tell it differently, it will copy everything or back up everything. I don't want anything in my general topic. I can just click on that button. That gets rid of everything in the general topic. Now topic 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 8 do not have anything in them, so that's what I want to use. Oh, I'm going to click on topic 9. I don't want anything from topic 9. I don't want anything from topic 10. And don't worry about the other topics, or nothing in them. They don't even probably exist in your course. That just fills this out this way. So simply then go ahead and hit Next. You've selected the items that you want to do a selective backup with. This will be the name of that backup file when you're done creating it. And it verifies that this is what you want to do. There's no user data coming. The basic items that are coming over are the Q&A forum, the label, the quiz, however many items that you had in that particular topic. Now we're going to perform the backup. Once that is done, the next screen will pop up. It waits just for a few seconds for it to run, and it says backup was successfully created. Then we can simply hit Continue. And when you're done, you can see here how you can manage your backup files, and you can see the one that we just did just a few moments ago right here. Now, what we have to do is we have to prepare our course. So return back to the front page of your course. I'm going to simply click on Doug. That will take me back to the very front page of my course. And here we are. Now, everything we backed up is found in topic number 1. Now, when you run a backup, it'll automatically put everything that you backed up that came from topic 1 back in topic 1. So if we run the backup now into a restore, it's just simply right over everything that we have in topic 1. So if we want to copy this or restore this information into blank topics, we need to move a topic up into topic 1's spot. Alright? So now topic 1 is now empty. Topic 2 has taken on the information because that's what it was before. So simply go to Settings, go to Restore, and that'll take us back to that, again, that screen that you saw before. And we want to come down to the picture backup that we just did. And we're going to hit Restore. And this is basic backup information. You don't need to worry too terribly much about it, except you'll notice that this is the items that it's going to restore, the items that you want actually into your course. Okay? We'll scroll down here and hit Continue. You want to merge it into this course. That's the default radio button, so just leave it there. Hit Continue. And it's going to say, okay, now this is the items that you want. You say, yep, okay, these are my settings. Yep, I don't want any calendar events, no comments. We already said that that wasn't going to happen. We just want the basic things that we selected. This is the information that is going to come over from section 1. We'll go into section 1, the module Q&A, a forum, label, pre-quiz, etc. And just scroll on down, hit next. There's your backup settings one more time, making sure this is what you want. Perform the restore. Wait just a few seconds while it does that. Eventually a dialog box will come up and say that you've completed that restore. There we go. Core was successfully restored, was successful. So hit continue. Take you back to your course, and now you'll notice that you have topic 1 once again with all the items that were backed up and now restored. So now you have fully duplicated those pieces of information. If you want to do that again, drag topic 3, for example, now up into the topic 1 spot. Let's do this again. Go to settings, to restore. Once you've done this, it'll go pretty quickly, and you're going to pick up the last known one that you worked with, restore. And we know we don't have to worry about any of these kinds of things, so just slide on down to continue. Next. Here's your items. Next are your items. Perform the restore. Once again, it'll chink along here, and eventually you will have your items all restored once again into another topic that once was empty, but now will have all those items. Much easier than copying individual items. Just simply follow the screens, restore them. Now I have topic 1, topic 2, topic 3 with all the items that I'd like to have in it. I hope you have fun with this. It's relatively easy and able to duplicate and copy and reproduce all the things that you want.